Welcome back again. My name is Olivia Balemba, a first year at mechanical engineering here at the U of I, and with me I have Tori and Caitlin, and they're in the Micro Baja team, ASME Micro Baja. So Tori and Caitlin, could you please explain to us what is the Micro Baja team and what do you guys do?
Yeah. We work on a competition car. It's an annual event that the American Society of Mechanical Engineers puts on for our region. And we essentially design a remote controlled car for it. It's got to compete in 3 different courses, a slalom, a drag, and a Baja course. And so just a couple of weeks ago we took it up to competition and we won Best Design, so that was pretty cool.
Wow, congratulations. Could you explain to us how does the car function? And I can see you have like a poster here.
Yeah, so this is a rendering of our assembly that we built in SolidWorks, which is a computer design program. And essentially, we're throwing around ideas and we wanted to base the design for the Baja course. Some guys on the team were like, oh, we play Halo, maybe we should model it after the Warthog in Halo, which is, pretty cool. So the main thing from that we took was the suspension. It's a front to back suspension, so when the car is going over bumps and jumps and things like that, the front wheel will be pushed up, which will hopefully transfer the force through here, compress the spring and the shock, and then transfer force back down to the back wheel so you can have more traction. So hopefully you'd have 3 wheels of traction versus, just your 2 or whatever. The other part about it was pretty cool is we went with a belt pulley system for our drivetrain. So you can see some of the pulleys in here. They would connect to belts out to these shafts, which powers the car. Other thing that's pretty cool is our chassis is relatively unique. It's actually a carbon fiber and balsa wood lay. So there's carbon fiber and balsa wood sandwiched in between 2 layers of carbon fiber. That way we can keep the stiffness and rigidity of the carbon fiber, but then have reduced the weight. So that was pretty cool.
Wow.
About how it goes.
Okay, that's pretty cool. So how has this project helped you to become like a better like the engineer, or how is it helping you for your future plans?
I would say that definitely it makes you look at the bigger picture of a project as well, and just seeing how everyone works together in a project and realizing that it's not just you working there on your homework by yourself, but there's lots of people involved in the project. Also, communication was key in our project, and also time management. Your professors say it over and over, but it really is true, and we did get a little bit behind schedule, but by working hard and just spending lots of extra hours in the shop manufacturing everything, we were able to produce our car and take it to competition.
Wow. So I understand that both of you are seniors. So, oh, juniors. Sorry, I thought this is like a senior design thing. Okay. And do you have like future plans of being part of this project and maybe going with it further or something like that?
It's actually a class for juniors and they have it every year. I think it'd be really cool to see the class next year if they could take this design and just build on it further. It's a pretty solid design. There's some minor details that they could work out and fine tune, and I think next year could be really cool and just take the competition.
Well, thank you very much, Caitlin and Tori, and we'll be back soon.